Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an animation pack of magic spell effects by Creative Kind, an enemy battler of a red demon, Kindoji, a white demon, Torakuma Doji, and a blue demon, Cotyledon tortoise, all three by Uji Masala. A character out of a boy by Naka Aki, and a character pack of elementary school boys by Mirror Image. Mighty Milton, a meta puzzle game where you interact with the game's files to solve puzzles. Silver Thread, an adventure game about an exorcist that doesn't believe in ghosts. Flesh, Blood and Concrete, a horror apartment building exploration simulator game. Garenberg Woods, a happy RPG where you must stay on trail and everybody is sure to have a great time. A pack of 100 fishes and fishing related icons by Damp Pixel. 80 console related icons by Kaz. And 40 Halloween themed icons by Thomas Feitma. An MV plugin by Storm Tiger that allows customizing HP, MP and TP separately for each actor. An MZ plugin by Sinrek that allows us to create tags for players to customize their skills during gameplay. An MZ plugin by Torakuma that expands the description section of the help window. And an MZ plugin by Napi that allows adding unique terms using control characters that we can change and replace later through a parameter. A Tileset and Sprite pack of Fantasy Grasslands by Noir Acid. And lastly, a Tileset pack of a hotel interior and bathroom by Hatto Beast. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.